that justice should not only be done, but seen to be done. And for the same to be seen to be done, the means should justify the end and not the other way around. The end should not justify the means. My seniors agreed that it is your right to impeach the governor. But have we done as per the procedure? Means justifying the end means proper interpretation of the law. It also means proper interpretation of your own standing orders, proper interpretation of the Constitution, and proper use or usurping rule of law. I was happy to listen to the move of the motion, and several times he mentioned the aspect of rule of law. He said we should embrace it. As I finish, I want to ask a question. Why is it now? Why on this hurry? We have a right to impeach the governor if we follow the right procedure. But why should that come now when the process is not justifying the end that you're looking for? One of the celebrated writers said, a well-written constitution or a piece of law means nothing if put in a hostile environment, an environment where there is law but there is disregard of the same. Allow me to say this, Speaker. The procedure that we've used is a clear depiction of hostility to the procedure of impeaching a governor. My seniors talked about the issues of public participation. When you look at the notice, the question comes, are we following what the Supreme Court has established on the procedure of public participation, whereby they said it should be quantitative and qualitative enough to satisfy even that villager from my village in Dagene who can say the procedure was followed. If you don't follow the procedure, then the court said, and allow me use that word, it is a mere cosmetic process. If you don't follow the procedure, it's a mere cosmetic process. Do we embrace that which we've put as a piece of law? We may have it very well written, looking so nice, but are we following the law to the letter? If we were doing the same today, maybe we could be doing still public participation so that we follow the law to the letter. The aspect of quantitative. Every time we talk about this, we say we are the representative of the ward. And the question comes, you as a representative of the ward, why didn't you use the same threshold to do a public participation in your ward? Look at the